Is it possible to use pip to install a package from a private GitHub repository? I am trying to install a Python package from a private GitHub repository. For a public repository, I can issue the following command which works fine. However, if I try this for a private repository, I get the following output. I guess this is because I am trying to access a private repository without providing any authentication. I therefore tried to use git plus SSH hoping that pip would use my SSH public key to authenticate. This gives the following output. Is what I am trying to achieve even possible? If so, how can I do it?
You can use the git plus SSH URI scheme, but you must set a username. Notice the git at part in the URI. Also read about deploy keys. PS, in my installation, the git plus SSH URI scheme works only with editable requirements. Remember, change the column character that git remote v prints to a character before using the remote's address in the pip command. If you forget, you will get this error.
As an additional technique, if you have the private repository cloned locally, you can do more modernly, you can just do this, and the E will mean you don't have to commit changes before they're reflected.
You can do it directly with a HTTPS URL like this. This also works just appending that line in the requirements.txt in a Django project, for instance.
It also works with Bitbucket. Pip will use your SSH keys in this case.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.